Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how you can deposit money in your Phantom account. So all you have to do is first open your home page. Here you can see the option receive. Here you can see different coins, Solana, Ethereum, Base, Polygon. You can choose any one. I'm choosing here Ethereum to show you how it works. Here you have to copy the account option at the bottom, and here you can see that it is copied. Same process follow for all the coins. Now I'm gonna show you the same process for Solana. Here you can see Solana, and all you have to do here is be the account option. Note that you can't do direct deposit from your bank account to Phantom wallet. You have to do that through cryptocurrency. So for that I'm using Bybit. You can use Bybit, Coinbase, all the apps are available. Here in Bybit you can transfer your money from USD dollars to crypto, and you can transfer that to your Phantom wallet. This is their homepage, and here you can see different options. All you have to do is click on the assessed option in the bottom. You can see your total assessed, your total balance, and you can see in account funding you can see your total USD dollars here, and here you can see the option deposit. You can deposit money in this app and withdraw and transfer. As we are looking for transfer, so click on transfer. Here you can see that the transfer is from funding account and to untitled trading account. For coin, choose Solana, and this is the same process for all the coins. So this is the process you can use for Bitcoin, Solana, Polygon, all the coins. This is valid for all the coins. Select an account, untitled trading account. Here you have to write the amount. After writing the amount, you have to click on confirm, and after that you have to provide your Solana account number that we have copied from our Phantom wallet. There you have to paste them, and after that the transaction will be done. That was all about depositing money in the Phantom wallet. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.